Did you know there's a creature in Australian folklore that turns you into one of them by eating and throwing you up over and over again? Meet the Yaramaihahu. This 4-foot-tall red monster hangs from fig trees in the Australian wilderness, waiting for travelers to walk underneath. It has suckers on its fingers and toes, just like an octopus. When someone passes by, it drops down and grabs them. But it doesn't bite like a vampire. Instead, it drains their blood through those creepy suckers on its hands. Then it opens its massive mouth like a snake and swallows the person whole while they're still alive. Here's the truly terrifying part. After digesting you for a while, it spits you back up. You're alive, but smaller and redder than before. If this happens enough times, you eventually become a Yaramaihahu yourself. Aboriginal elders use this story to warn people about traveling alone in the vast Australian outback. The only way to escape? Play dead until it gets bored and leaves. But would you really want to risk it?